Well, this is the outcome we've been looking for. Color match stucco to the house, brick application at the vertical supports and corners, some landscaping. That's exactly what we're looking for. Very nice. Well, now looking at our house, how have we done? Well, we're getting there, step by step, in the very rough construction phase with the scratch coat. Looks like there's about 2,000 pounds of rebar in the gutter. Accumulating debris from all of the different phases of construction. And those faux brick will be applied to the corners and the vertical midsection fence supports there. That faux brick will match the existing on the house there in the corner. So many phases of landscaping taking place here. Different crews with different skill sets. They'll come back and do the finished stucco color to the house in the next week or so. It'll be at a point when they've made some progress on the rest of the yard. The inside area will retain the Utah red cinder block color. We're not going to stucco the inside. But we'll have some curbing put in there along the wall. There'll be grass, some trees in this area. There'll be a drip line across there for each plant. And what's existing now are leads to the sprinkler heads. So not much progress other than sprinklering PVC in place, ready for the final push to conclude this part of the backyard landscaping. They still need to put the caps on the block wall. They grouted it the other day. That is, filled the cinder block chambers about every 3 feet with grout. And here we're going to have it cut down, leveled out for the barn. And they're going to have to put in some what they call half-inch rock in here. So there's a little bit of work yet to be done here to get it ready for that barn. And of course the old Rainbird, they did a temp connection here, keep the sprinklers in front working. They'll have to route that underneath the sidewalk and on out to the front main switch, which right now just runs under the slab. Hopefully there's never any problems with that. Again, lots of debris. I have to keep that scratch coat wet so it doesn't dry out. There will be a top cap along the entire wall that matches the faux brick. That dirt right there is what they pulled out of the backyard. They're looking for fill dirt. For the next builder comes along, we'll probably just level that out. They tell us it's going to be more beautiful than that. Thanks for watching.